How do I check if directory exists in Python? How do I check if a directory exists?
Use os.path.isdir for directories only. Use os.path.exists for both files and directories. Alternatively, you can use pathlib.
Python 3.4 introduced the pathlib module into the standard library, which provides an object-oriented approach to handle file system paths. The is_dar and exists methods of a path object can be used to answer the question. Paths and strings can be joined together with the / operator. Pathlib is also available on Python 2.7 via the pathlib2 module on PyPI.
So close. os.path.isdir returns true if you pass in the name of a directory that currently exists. If it doesn't exist or it's not a directory, then it returns false.
Yes, use os.path.exists.
We can check with two built-in functions. It will give Boolean true the specified directory is available. It will give Boolean true if specified directory or file is available. To check whether the path is directory, os.path.isdir directory path will give Boolean true if the path is directory.